Like a Barbie.
Oh, my back. I threw out my back.
Good morning. It is my birthday. Yeah. Still ain't got the wig on. But it's still gonna be in the pre-birthday vlog, so whatever. But yeah, it's my birthday. I'm about to get up. I'm about to put this wig on, shower. Well, not in that order. I'm gonna get up, brush my teeth, shower, put this wig on, and yeah, we'll see what happens next. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and also tell me happy birthday.
Oh, my, I'm feeling high. My money's gone. I'm all alone. Too much losing. The world keeps turning. Oh,
Here's the finished product. We are about to see if today goes as planned. I'm trying to go take some pictures, but we will see. Yeah, I feel cute. I feel like a Barbie.
Oh, my back. I threw out my back.
But okay, see you guys in a second. I'm at the park. It's not like a park, but it's like a park that you can like sit and like do things with, so that's pretty dope. I'm about to find a, can y'all see me better like this? Whatever. Okay. Ooh. I'm about to try to find a good spot to put my my blanket, and then I'm gonna sit, relax. I decided to do like a little vision board thing, so that's what I'm planning on doing, and I'm excited. So yeah, let's go.
what a day. What a day. What a day. Peace and blessings, manifest.
It literally started raining right after I put the blanket down. So the pictures that you guys see on Instagram, if you don't have my Instagram, go follow. But yeah, I was rained on.
It's so pretty out here. This is more of like a, is it called a pavilion? Pavilion. It's more of like a pavilion park, because like you see, like you can like perform and stuff right there. But it's good enough for me. It's soothing. I get time to like sit, just think, relax, and focus. I want to just focus on like what my plans are for, you know, this what am I trying to say? This year, I'm freaking 25. Like, things are different, you know? So that's what we're working on. That's what I'm focused on. Damn, am I allergic to some shit? I have not been outside in so long. Oh my fucking gosh. But yeah, so just watch the magic. Okay, so I'm at my mom's house to pick up my air fryer for my sister, and I got a juicer. My mom gave me this gift coupon for Amazon, so I bought myself a juicer. So I'm excited. I just love things. You know you're grown and maturing when you're excited about appliances. But yeah, so I got a juicer, I got an air fryer. The picnic got cut short because it started raining, but I did get some cute pictures. I might go back because it stopped. So I might go back and take some pictures by the pavilion thing that I was showing you guys. But other than that, today has been pretty cool. It's not over yet though. My birthday is still going on. It is 6 o'clock. I'm hoping that I can go to the store and buy some stuff for my juicer because I really want to use it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me. We're not done yet. I don't know why I'm ending this off, but yeah, I'll be back. Yay! Oh, so the grocery store is open, so I'm about to go get some fruits and veggies for my juicer, and then tonight's dinner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna open my gifts on camera with you guys, just to show you guys what I got. And yeah, today was really chill. Like this year I wasn't really pressed. Like I didn't really care honestly about what I was gonna do for my birthday. I just know I wanted to I just wanted to get cute. But next year I definitely will be doing way more. So I hope that this vlog wasn't disappointing for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the pre-birthday vlog and everything leading up to that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And if I do show you guys the gifts, then I'll show it at the end or whatever. But if not, see you guys later.
In his image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, no, no, no. My life keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, no, no.
Okay, so this video is actually late, but I forgot to show you guys the gifts I got. So this don't even have a picture of it. I got a juicer, an air fryer. This is so freaking cute, y'all. I always did an S backwards. Hold on. No, that's right. Got an S for Shawn, Dawn, or Shauna. Oh. Y'all, I got a portable hair steamer. You guys would definitely be getting the, what's it called? What am I trying to say? The unboxing for this and the unboxing for that, because y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything else is either like already open or just all over the place. So yeah,
I also got these 2 bags. They're so cute. This is my favorite color, and I don't know, I'm obsessed with this type of like material, and then this color top tier. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Say hi.